In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Claude AI payment failed problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is refresh the page, reload it for several times, then clear cache and cookies for it. Click on this icon, go to cookies and site data. From here, click on delete data and confirm it. Next up, check whether your country is supported. Anthropic only supports billing from certain countries. If your card's issuing country where billing address is not supported reason, the payment may be declined. Also verify your billing information. Make sure card number, expiry date and CVV are correct. Your billing address exactly matches the one registered with your bank. Your name matches your card details where required. Next up, complete the 3D secure verification. Many banks require an additional authentication step, OTP or approval in your banking app. If you close or miss this verification, the payment will fail. Ensure your bank allows international online payments. Claude payments are processed by a US-based company. Some banks automatically block international or recurring online transactions until you approve them. Contact your bank and ask them to authorize the payment. Likewise, you can try another card. Also check for sufficient funds or credit. Your account has enough balance, your credit card has not been reached, your card has not been expired. Next, disable VPNs. For that, click on 3 dots, go to extension. If you are connected to any VPN, disable it. Next thing, wait and try again later. Occasionally, payment failures are caused by temporary issues with Claude's billing system or payment processor. Waiting a few hours and retrying can resolve the problem. Also, you can check the server status of Claude if there are any issues within the server. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, contact Claude support. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.